Have you ever wondered why Silicon Valley became the hub for tech, or why Detroit was once the heart of the American auto industry? It's no accident, but a result of multiple factors that influence the location of industries. Today, we're going to explore these factors one by one. First up, raw materials. Industries that rely heavily on raw materials, like iron and steel or textiles, tend to set up shop close to where these materials are sourced. This reduces transportation costs and ensures a constant supply. For instance, the iron and steel industry in India is primarily located in the states of Jharkhand and Odisha due to the rich iron ore reserves. Second, labor. Industries that require specific skills or a large labor force often locate themselves where such labor is available. The IT industry in Bangalore, India, for instance, flourished due to the availability of skilled labor and the presence of premier educational institutions. Third, we have the market. Industries that produce perishable goods or those that need to be delivered quickly often locate themselves close to the market. This reduces transportation time and costs, ensuring that products reach consumers when they're still fresh or relevant. Fourth, capital. Industries need capital to set up and run their operations. Locations that offer easy access to finance, such as financial hubs like New York or London, often attract a variety of industries. Fifth, land. Availability, cost, and the nature of land play a crucial role in determining the location of an industry. Large, flat areas are preferred for industries like manufacturing, where large facilities are required. Sixth, grants and financial incentives. Governments often offer these to attract industries to certain areas, leading to their development as industrial hubs. Tax breaks, subsidies, or low-interest loans can make a location attractive for setting up an industry. Seventh, power. Industries need a consistent and reliable source of power. Locations with abundant power supply, or the potential for generating power, attract industries that have high energy requirements. Eighth, transport. Good transport links are crucial for the movement of raw materials, finished goods, and workers. Ports, railways, and highways can greatly influence the location of industries. Ninth, water. Industries like textiles and steel require large amounts of water, making locations near water bodies attractive for these industries. And finally, communication. In today's digital age, good communication networks are vital for any industry. Locations with strong digital infrastructure attract industries that rely heavily on digital technologies. In summary, the location of industries isn't random. It's influenced by raw materials, labor, the market, capital, land, grants, and financial incentives, power, transport, water, and communication. The interplay of these factors determines where industries set up shop, shaping the economic landscape of regions and countries. So the next time you wonder why a particular industry is located where it is, consider these factors. You'll likely find your answer.